Kabir was not lazy. He woke up every day with plans in his head. He wanted to improve his life. He wanted success, confidence, and peace. But when night came, everything felt the same. Same room, same thoughts, same disappointment. Kabir often asked himself, why am I not moving forward even though I want to? Every morning, Kabir felt motivated. He watched videos, read quotes, made plans. I will change from tomorrow, he told himself. But tomorrow came, and nothing changed. He didn't fail loudly, he failed quietly. Days passed, weeks passed, and slowly, Kabir started believing something painful. Maybe something is wrong with me. He saw others moving ahead. Someone got promoted. Someone started a new habit. Someone seemed confident. Kabir smiled for them, but inside, he felt heavy. He wasn't lazy. He was tired of starting again and again. One evening, Kabir sat alone, staring at his notebook. The pages were full of plans, goals, dreams, but none of them had dates, none of them had actions, just ideas. That night, Kabir realized something important. He was waiting for a big moment, a big push, a big change, a perfect day. But life was not giving him that. The next morning, Kabir tried something different. He didn't try to change his whole life. He didn't promise discipline forever. He just did one small thing. He cleaned his desk. That was it. No motivation, no excitement, just one action. The next day, he did another small thing. He woke up 10 minutes earlier, not 1 hour, not a big routine, just 10 minutes. It didn't feel powerful, but it felt real. Days passed. Kabir added small habits, 5 minutes of reading, a short walk, writing one line about his day. Nothing dramatic happened, but something inside him shifted. He stopped waiting for motivation. He started trusting effort. Kabir learned something important. Success is not a jump, it is a direction. Confidence does not come before action, it comes from action. Discipline is not force, it is structure. Slowly, Kabir felt different, not successful, not perfect, but lighter. He no longer hated himself for being stuck. He understood now. He was not broken, he was early. One day, Kabir looked back, and for the first time, he saw progress. Not in achievements, but in consistency. He had shown up, even on boring days, even on tired days, and that changed him. Final message. If you feel stuck in life, listen carefully. You were not lazy, you were overwhelmed. You don't need a perfect plan, you need a small step. You don't need motivation every day, you need consistency. Become 1% better today. That is enough. That is how growth begins. If this story helped you feel understood, stay with Mindful Momentum for more calm, motivational stories.